Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy sauce for your noodles. This easy method uses common ingredients you likely have at home. We'll start by gathering everything: 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. These simple components will form the delicious base of our flavorful sauce, perfect for any noodle dish. Now, let's combine our core ingredients. First, place your 2 tablespoons of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic into a heat-proof bowl. Next, gently heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a small saucepan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Once hot, carefully pour this aromatic oil directly over the chili and garlic. Stir everything together immediately to release those wonderful spicy aromas and begin infusing the flavors. With the chili and garlic infused, it's time to add the remaining liquids. Pour in 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Transfer this entire mixture into a small saucepan. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over low heat, allowing it to cook for about 5 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure all the ingredients meld beautifully and the sauce thickens slightly. Your delicious spicy noodle sauce is now ready. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. We recommend drizzling about 2 to 3 tablespoons over your favorite hot noodles, mixing it in thoroughly. Feel free to adjust the spice level next time by using more or fewer chili flakes. This versatile sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, ready for your next noodle craving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.